In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a virtual machine failed to boot in Virtualbox for Windows 11. So, what you want to do is first, if you have this error, okay, make sure it's this error that says the virtual machine failed to boot. That might be caused by a missing operating system or misconfigured boot order. Mounting an operating system installed DVD might solve this problem. Select an ISO file will attempt to mount it after the dialog is closed, okay? So, what we're gonna do is try and fix this, and it's going to work for sure because I've done this multiple times. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the DVD section, so simply click over here. Then you want to click on Other when that shows up, and then from there you want to choose the Windows 11 ISO file that you have saved on your computer. So the ISO file you get from the official Microsoft Windows 11 website is what you want to select over here. Then you want to check the Do Not Show This dialog again, so this over here, you want to check this, and then you want to click Mount and Retry Boot. So you click this, and then after a few seconds, everything is going to refresh, and it's only going to say press any key to boot from CD or DVD. Okay, so it's going to only say this up here, and no errors will be displayed. Okay, none of this below. What you want to do is press any key on your keyboard. Now I usually press the space bar or the enter key. It doesn't really matter, I think. And then once you've done that, the VirtualBox should open up in a few seconds for you, and it should boot up the Windows 11 setup screen, which looks something like this. And that's probably familiar to you. And what you then want to do, from there on, you just want to go through the Windows 11 setup, and your issue has been successfully fixed. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe.